You said hacks, like habit hacks.
Mm-hmm.
So what I've been doing is I've been putting my eye patch like on my door handle, so I see it first thing in the morning. That way I do it every day. And also I realized that my left eye needs to be used more, so I've been making a habit of asking it to see more. Just yeah,
The
and also with
intention. Mm-hmm.
yeah, and then with the practice of fusion by divergence, when I look at my thumbs, I emphasize my left eye, so I try to look at the right thumb, the peripheral of the right thumb. And so also, yeah, just implementing when I go for walks, I just I never really thought of peripheral vision as above or below. So
Mm-hmm.
now I do that when I'm walking. I look at the trees above, just peripherally in the ground. And oh, another practice that I think has been really helpful is we have a picture that's not a very clear picture on the wall, and I shift it's a picture of a lady, and I shift from eye to eye of her eyes, and just the fact that it's not a clear picture kind of takes the pressure off from having to see it clearly.
Okay.
And yeah, and then I shift um, looking at the one eye, I look at the other eye peripherally and kind of tell myself, like, well, that should not be as clear as the eye I'm looking at. So the central fixation concept.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, and then who's looking at who exercise. I try to do that anytime there's a mirror, around. So yeah, so it's
Great.
just like implementing these things in my just regular daily routine. So it's not taking any more time. It's just trying to implement it throughout my day because I was feeling self-conscious, in general it happens, but yeah, like thinking that you're looking at me, even though you're, probably not. But
Well,
this is, something that I talked about before, like has been, a sort of a problem. Like I always think people are looking at me because, probably from childhood
mm-hmm.
trauma. So yeah, but just it occurred to me that it's like my computer screen doing Zoom is like the mirror. Like
Mm-hmm.
so, so I could just remind myself, I'm here looking at the screen, not the person looking at me necessarily. I think
Attention
it's
to
gonna
that.
really help with the emotional reason for myopia.